Madison, and this is my dad, Chef Greg. Today we are going to be making a blueberry lemon galette.
We're going to be using the KUCHT 30-inch range to showcase one of my favorite features, which is the convection, and it's the electric oven. It's a dual fuel, so it's got gas on the top and it's electric down below. But I think one of the best features about this is its size. It's 30 inches. So if you're looking to upgrade a unit that you currently have and want to put something in that's a little more professional, this will easily slide right into that existing space. Another feature that I happen to like a lot is it has this middle insert, which allows somebody to move hot pans from one burner to the other without having to pick it up. It's a small little feature, but it's something that you're going to see in professional kitchens, and it's these little things that make the difference. When cooking with kids, one of the things I like to do is bake. It's something that they're very interested in, it's very easy, and it's generally a little more enjoyable. One of the fears that a lot of people have when baking is making a mess in the kitchen. So in order to keep some things a little simpler, we're going to use some store-bought items, and one of them is going to be a pie crust. So my daughter Madison here, she's going to be assembling this as we go. So we're going to start with some blueberries, and you're going to put those in the bowl where we already have a little bit of cornstarch and sugar. We're going to take a little bit of lemon zest, so we're going to take a lemon, center, very loosely. Just sprinkle some turbinado sugar around the outside to make the crust nice and sweet. Okay, now we're going to take our galette, we're going to put it inside the oven that we have preheated at 350. And simply just turn on the convection fan. And like I said, about 20-25 minutes, we're going to take it out. So when I cook with my daughter in the kitchen, I always like to keep things as simple as possible, such as this galette, because it allows me to spend much more quality time with her.
After 25 to 30 minutes of waiting, the galette should be ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And if you're a KUCHT customer
and want your kid to cook in style like me, please contact customer service to see how you could get an apron.